An investigation that's been conducted by the NIA in the Antilia bomb scare. Now, there's a big relief that Riyaz Kazi, one of the accused in that matter, has now managed to secure from the Bombay High Court. He was the API and a close aide, allegedly, of the co-accused Sachin Vaze, and he will be directed to be released on bail on a bond of rupees 25,000 rupees, and he's also been instructed to cooperate with the investigation in this particular matter by also depositing the passport so that he's not allowed to travel outside the country. Let me go across to Shweta, who's joining us for more details about this. Shweta, what was the basis for the court to be granting bail to the former Mumbai API Riyaz Kazi, who's also been suspended from service?
Well, absolutely. In fact, this is the Riyazuddin Kazi big relief in this entire Antilia bomb scare case. Now, Bombay High Court has granted him bail. As per the operative order, what we are getting to learn is firstly that he was framed under one case, that was Antilia bomb scare, and later it was known that the person's involvement was kept at least. And now we are seeing that as per the bail order, 25,000 surety bond has been allotted, that over to this bail he has been given, and every Saturday he has to be present before NIA, and he has to cooperate with the NIA agency and help in this entire case. Now, this is again important to know. Before this, there was NIA special court where the bail was rejected of Riyazuddin Kazi, but this time from Bombay High Court, there's a big relief to Riyazuddin Kazi in Antilia bomb scare case.
Absolutely, that's a very important update coming in with respect to this particular development, which is, of course, the bail that's been granted to Riyaz Kazi. But he has been specifically instructed, Shweta, to cooperate with the investigation. But he's been in custody for quite some time now. What was the reason as to why the Sessions Court or the lower court had actually rejected his bail? Do we have some light on that as well? Because that decision has now been overturned by the Bombay High Court.
Well, absolutely. If we just look at the matter, this was the case which was handled by National Investigation Agency, and this was seen that the Session Court, in fact, in Special Court, the bail was rejected, and then the challenging to the plea had happened in the Bombay High Court. Now it has been seen that clear-cut directions have been given to Riyazuddin Kazi that he has to submit his passport and he has to particularly cooperate with the agency. And if we just talk about Session Court, generally, what we have seen in most of the cases, they refrain from giving bail. And in most of the cases, what happens is exactly they have to higher court, and in the same manner, in the same fashion, even this case has taken place where the Session Court had rejected the bail plea of Riyazuddin Kazi, and their legal counsel, in fact, approached to the Bombay High Court.
Right. Many thanks for that update. In the month of August, when there was a hearing in the special court, the NIA had actually said that it will take a fair amount of time to submit all the electronic evidence in this particular matter as well. Many thanks for that update, Shweta. We'll slip into a short break for now. We'll come back with more updates on the other side.